Okay everyone, I'm going to talk about how to fold a piece of paper, a square piece of paper, in thirds. Instead of folding it in half, we're going to divide it equally into three parts, a square sheet of paper. Because you'll see that sometimes instructions for some origamis are to go ahead and fold in thirds. So how do we do that? We first start with a blank square sheet of paper, and we're going to make a template out of this, a template so that we can go ahead and fold other sheets of paper in this manner. So here is a template, right? And we put our paper in there, our square piece of paper, and we go ahead and we fold right on there. So this template, right here where we match those ends together, this is the template that will help us then fold any square sheet of paper into thirds. Well, I shouldn't say any. It will help us fold this exact size square sheet of paper into thirds. So that's very key. Whatever size paper you're going to use, you need to make a template that corresponds to that size. So let's begin. So this is the size that we are using, and here's a blank sheet that is the exact same size, and we're going to make this template. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold it diagonally in half. Okay? So we've folded our paper diagonally in half. Then we open it up, and here we have a valley fold. Then we're going to take this edge and align it up with this edge. So we're going to basically bisect this 45-degree angle again. Alright, so now we have two folds. We have half of the square and half of the half. The next thing we're going to do, and this is where it can get tricky, is we're going to take this edge and fold it to meet this edge right here. So here we go, this edge, I'm going to take it and fold it right on there. Again, you want to be as crisp and perfect and precise as possible. Now, once I've done that fold, okay, this right here, this point right here is already the third, the measurement of the third. So here we go, we got 1, 2, and 3. So right here, this edge, not the half, not half of the half, but actually this angle, this is where we do our fold. So now I'm going to come over and fold the paper, make a column fold right there, and that is basically our template. And then just to, you know, make sure, we can also fold it back again just so that you can see that it does give you the exact 1/3 of the square. So here we have this square piece of paper folded into thirds. Now, rather than using this as part of the origami because it has all these marks already, this is what they mean by use it as a template, where you would come in here with a white sheet of paper. Again, your template should be the exact same size as the paper you're folding. See? We grab our template, we fold one side of it, we take our paper, right, and then we're going to meet this edge, align this edge with this edge, and that should give us at least 1/3 of the paper. And now we turn it around. Don't do it this way. If you do it this way, you're creating some space down in here. So it's best to do it this way. All right. And this is how we fold our square piece of paper into thirds. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. There it is, into thirds.